I did the DDBrix workshop. It was fantastic. We had a blast. It was the most innovative way of learning how the DDMRP works. Hi, my name is Shirish. I am the ERP specialist in Dynamics 365 for Huda Beauty, and I help with everything related to supply chain in the ERP. So I have implemented MRP in a few places in my life, and I could see a few key differences between DDMRP and MRP. I think the four key innovations were they were really impactful, and they made a big difference in not just understanding the entire philosophy, but just getting through the supply chain operations. I think D365 is a very manual system where there's a lot of data, whereas I think B2Wise is more visual. It will help us understand and visualize and make better decisions. I did the DDBrix workshop. It was fantastic. We had a blast. It was the most innovative way of learning how the DDMRP works. And I would like to thank B2Wise for this extremely innovative workshop. I am very hopeful for this project. I'm pretty sure it will be a success. I'm very curious to see where we are today and where we are going to get to. So I'm waiting for it to happen. Stop managing